Here's an example of the weirdness of this wood. I'm dealing with a bottom plate that in this corner is 4 1/4 inches. So I need to remove this 1/4 inch, and I didn't bring a chisel. I don't know why I do not have a chisel out here, but this is the closest thing I have. Yeah, I know. I should have done this before. I know, guy that sits in his underwear at YouTube computer and comments things, and also sits in regular people clothes and comments things. I know. Hashtag worth it. We got that back wall up. That's done. I might as well have some lunch. I got some fresh fruits from Costa Rica, and oh, because it's a hot day, a Miller High Life, the champagne of beers. Out here in the rain. It's about 1:45 on Saturday, the 10th of June. I'm right about to finish the framing of the first and the last wall to go up in this place. So thought I'd turn on the camera. I set a couple nails. And lay a couple screws into this thing. So there's that. There's the bunkhouse fourth wall. And then got it screwed together. I'll put it up. It's coming down rainy out here, but it feels good to be in the woods and not at a desk.
For reasons unknown, he tracks animals the size of a car during mating season.
I'm gonna go someplace and wait this out.
Alaska's Grizzly Gauntlet with Ian Corey. Season finale next Friday at 9 on Nat Geo Wild.
I think probably one of the best ways to get it to stop raining while you're trying to work is to go out and get some heavy, useful rain coats and rain pants and put those on. It will immediately dry up. Lady.
What's your phone number?
410-419-3165. Okay.
Do you want these in the bag?
No, thanks. In fact, do you mind if I get changed? Oh, you know what? I bought it so that it would stop raining. And I think it did.
Yep. Steam is rising out of the asphalt now.
Bought myself a dry day.
It's not done raining, don't worry.
Yeah, right. You too, appreciate it. Ah, so nice and dry. 90 bucks. 90 bucks to make the rain stop. Dumped about an inch of rain on us. I'm wondering, am I going to be able to drive up into my shoddy driveway? Let's all find out together. All right, they just paved the road, so there's a bit of a dip now. Thank you. Oh, that was horrible. All right. We did it. We got up here. Welcome to New Zealand. Here's my tiny jail cell that I spent the last year and a half making for myself. Yeah. Maybe one day it will just be a coffin. Who knows? Artisan coffin. You're 100% free trade artisan coffin. Nothing feels as good as when you take your level, you put it up there, and you're right between the bubbles. You're right between the lines. You're right between the lines. It's about 5, 6 o'clock, and I'm finished up here. I cut the doorway out of the bottom plate ready for threshold, and here you are standing inside my prison cell.